Hello, everybody. This is Jenny Lee Frost. This is my week 9 assignment for creating a game called War. So I went ahead and relied pretty heavily on the walkthrough, as you will probably see here. But I did type everything out, and I did do console logs for every section to make sure that they worked as well. And overall, I thought this was actually going to be really crazy stressful, and it wasn't. So it turned out pretty good. But I'll go ahead and start here. What I did was I went along with the video and decided what I needed for the game itself, which of course is a deck with 52 cards, a way to shuffle, a way to pass the cards to the players. We needed players with name, score, and their hand, and then the logic to play, as far as like how the game actually works, and what the deck class needs to have. Selection of arrays to store the cards, to store the card's rank, and to store the card's suit. So first I created a class for the deck, and this will define the deck, the ranks, as well as the suits. That was surprisingly easy to find the pictures of the suits. That was fun. Um, and then I used a for loop in order to give value to the cards in the deck. So I created the deck here and then used the for loop in order to designate the value in the cards. And then here is where I did the push of the deck. So that will allow the deck to push a card each round. And let's see here. The next step was to shuffle. And I pretty much followed the video walkthrough. I typed it all out, of course, for the practice. But it makes sense, how this works. So that was good. And it was pretty easy to find. So that gives me some hope for the future as well. And then this is just where I was setting aside what I needed to do for the walkthrough in order to create the actual game itself. So here I created the class for the game, and it consists of the name, the score, and hand of each player, and then went into the method of the actual game itself. Luckily, there was already previously created create deck and shuffle deck from prior. And then so it was great just to use that again. And then I created the push here in order to get the next card. And then I also learned about the shift, which will remove the first element from an array and then returns that removed element as well. So that was kind of cool in an easy way to do that. And then this is showing the actual gameplay, what to do if player one wins, what to do if player two wins, and then of course what to do in case there is a tie. And then this is showing the messages that'll appear depending on the winner or if there is a tie. And here you can see that my game itself works. It gives 26 occurrences and says everything it needs to. It also will show at the very bottom when the game is complete that player two wins, the final score. And then if you refresh, you'll see that it changes. Yep, so there we go. That's week 9, my project for the game War. I hope you enjoyed this information. Thanks so much.